Kausapin mo siya. Hindi ako. Rolling. Okay, sa palagay mo, mananalo si Jessica Sanchez sa American Idol on Tuesday? Go.
I think oo, kasi alam ko magaling siya and then she's gifted.
Wala kang sinabing Jessica Sanchez.
Oh, yeah,
Hindi
yeah,
ako
okay.
maririnig din eh.
Oh, okay, okay.
I
need
think
to say-
mananalo si Jessica Sanchez on
Oh, okay.
malaki ang chance. Talaga yun. Basta Jessica Sanchez. Ready? Go.
I think mananalo si Jessica Sanchez kasi alam ko magaling siya and then she's gifted.
Anong message mo kay Jessica Sanchez?
Jessica, good luck and I know you're gonna do your best. I believe you.
Okay.
Okay? Cut! Action!
Nakakaya.
Ano yung...
Okay, edit na to it.
Oh. Sino? Babae na.
What a pretty. Here. What a pretty. Here.
Here.